Introducing the R-Series cabinets from Optima Stanton. Designed for tough industrial environments where aesthetics matter, like automated warehousing and manufacturing robotics applications. Sturdy frame is made of rugged aluminum extrusions. The front and rear frames are cut to length. Solid billet keys join the bezels in each corner for added strength. The corners are then crimped using a patented method. Extruded cross rails provide additional support, and adjustable equipment rails are installed. All this delivers best-in-class load ratings. Cabinets are available in 2 frame sizes. The R-Series comes in 3 widths, 8 heights, and 4 depths. Available with casters, leveling feet, a wide range of door options, even custom sizes and configurations. Designed to protect equipment in the strictest environments, like industrial automation or test and measurement. The R-Series from Optima Stanton.